Hello, welcome to the SolidWorks video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to see Move Entities option in SolidWorks 2020. Now, this Move Entities option is basically used in order to move the particular entity from one position to some another position. Now, we will first select this option. Inside this option, here we have to select the entities that we want to move. Suppose I selected this circle and I want to move this circle. Then there are two methods by which we can move the circle from this position to some other position, that is from and to method and x, y method. So inside the from and to method, we have to first specify the start point. Now when you click in this rectangle and move over a sketch, then we can see the possible start points on this for this sketch. Here you can see the 4 start points lies on the circumference and one start point is its center. I will select that center as my start point, and I can move this circle from this position to some another position. Okay, so in this way I can move entity. But here you can observe the second method, that is x, y method. Inside this x, y method, we have to provide the final x and y coordinates of the entity or final position x and y coordinate. Suppose for the final position, the previous position will be treated as origin. Means this center point is now origin for the final position. And if you specify the final position and sum 400, 400, then as you can see over here, and select this entity, then you can see the final position where this distance is 400 and this distance is 400. So the final position is 400, 400, and this position will be now origin for the current position or final position. So in this way we can use repeat option. Okay, so it will move from this position to by same dimension in this direction. So in this way we can use repeat option. Now here we'll understand the importance of keep relations option. Now keep relation option is basically used inside a move entity because here we are playing with single entity, and if there exist multiple entities and if there exists some relation between those entities, and if we try to move those entities together, then it is important to maintain the relationship between these entities or not. So software is basically asking us for that if you are using a group of entities and there exists some relationship, then software asks us that do you want to maintain those relationships or don't you. So here if you want to maintain those relationships, then we have to just select this option, otherwise we have to deselect this option. So in this way we can use move entities option in SolidWorks 2020. That's all. Thank you.